Okay, I'm redoing this buck 4-jaw chuck. It was just all rusty and I wanted to get it cleaned up. Anyway, I soaked it in Evaporust, and it, as you can see, it took all the rust off, so that worked great. Then these over here, Noah. Okay, the adjusting screws, they're held in by a keeper. Okay, so I looked on the internet trying to figure out how those came out. I could not find anything. But anyway, I already started taking this apart. So that's just pressed in and that's what holds it in. So anyway, I just took a piece of flat bar stock, put it on the grinder to get the width, ran it through the mill real quick. And I thought I was gonna have to use my press to get it out. But if you line that up on there, okay, so then the screw will come out. Oh, this is another interesting fact. You can look, you'll see, even though it's a 4-jaw chuck, they are numbered. That's number 2. So anyway, that fork is still in there. But then I can finish taking it out with just a little punch. And there it is. So anyway, I couldn't find it on the internet, so now you know. Thank you.